Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn off your history settings on Google. And this can be your YouTube history, your Google search history, your activity, whatever. And we can do this by clicking on our logo just right here and click on manage your Google account. Then from here go to data and privacy, and then from here scroll down. Then just right here you can see all your history settings, but we want to turn off our web and app activity by clicking on here and then click on turn off and delete activity. Then after that we go back, we scroll down, we go to YouTube history and make sure that you click here on turn off and then click here on pause. Now we can also do manage history where we can delete our history or can see what we found. But if you turn that off or click on pause, just right here, you turn off your history settings. So I don't want to turn this off for myself now. So if you want to turn that off, do exactly what I told you. And after that, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.